when this dynasty politics comes in, they take our people as a livestock. They'll love you, they'll care for you because you are part of the livestock. You got my point? Because that particular narcissist will have to love you, will have to like you, will have to mold you. You know why? Because they'll need your vote at the end. But don't be fooled by their faulty love. You got my point? Because they're pretending, they're pretenders. You know why they're pretending? If they don't get a vote from us, what business they will do? That's what I'm telling you. We are like a livestock. I've seen one of my auntie who was caring so much for his pig. She was washing that pig with a brush and with a shampoo. I was so shocked. Hurry! And then you know what? She was brushing that pig with a toothbrush. I have to clean my pig, and she was cleaning it. So happy. I thought she loved that pig so much. She has given a love and care to that pig so much that I thought she will never kill that pig. After 1 month, when I call her, where is your pig? She said, oh, I have sold it. You got my point. So you should not be blinded by the love this particular government is giving to our people.